I want to welcome the Bonham family here today for open house. It's about celebrating their child and all the learning that is occurring this school year.
Me gusta porque cuando venimos a los open house, la maestra siempre tiene atención a uno y por eso esta oportunidad es muy buena para los open house que vengan los papás para darse cuenta qué tanto es el trabajo que están haciendo y hasta dónde han elevado su educación.
This year we have our choir and our guitar groups performing in our cafeteria, and we have a hot chocolate for all of the community to come in and enjoy. And then we also have registration. We're trying to get our parents in to register for the upcoming year. So we've got our labs open also with plenty of staff available to register the parents and get them ready for the new year.
That was yours? I think it's important because you come and get to see actually what the kids are doing, if they're progressing, and if they're doing good or if they need help in a certain area. You can come and see and actually speak to the teacher, about your child and how he's doing.